Hey, what is up everybody? Trey back at it again with a double upload. But you probably noticed something in the back. If you know something in the back, my light is not set up. And I wanted to do this for a specific reason. I want to show you guys how you get your light box or a soft studio box set up. Please don't buy the Mountain Dew. I was thirsty, and if you hear some like fan going on, it's pretty hot. Let me turn it up. But yeah, like I said, I'm going to show you guys how to get your studio light set up in case you do have one and you want to use it for like a green screen and all that stuff. So I will show you guys how to set it up and what tools. Actually, you don't need no tools for this setup. It's pretty easy. I will show you guys once I get to the other part of the video. Alright, what you need is, of course, you're going to use a tripod. Obviously, you have to, what's this called? This is what it is. Hold up your light bulb. This is a softbox. I'm trying to say this is a softbox on the lamp. And you're going to need this shading. Your cover. Excuse me, I'm messing up. This double up. But you need this. You need this cover to cover up your light, so you don't have to get you don't want to get blinded. And of course, you're obviously going to need your light bulb. Right here. I have two of these. I forgot which company this is from. I don't think it has a name. When I got the softbox light. So it's stuff like this. First off, you want to unscrew this so you can get a tighter fit on here. But don't unscrew it too tight because this might fall off. And you want to set it up like this. And you can set it up however height you want to be in. But I'm setting it up with this tutorial right here. I'm going to set it up like this. And you can adjust the height by doing this. Pause on that. This. Alright guys, as soon as y'all get that part set up, you can now set up the softbox to clamp it onto the little stand right here. So you see this little hole right here? Like this is a different softbox. You can have an umbrella. I don't know how to do those. I don't have an umbrella. But what's easier about this one, all you have to do is clamp this into place. That's it. And just stand on this little light right here. Not light. Stand on this little ball part right here. Screw it in. Like this. And there you go. There's also a thing where you can adjust the height of the like this too. So you can have it whatever height you like. Right now, like this. Like some, let me back this up. Some of them don't have like this easy way. You just push it in like this. Some of them have to actually you have to put on these little stands. You have to connect them as well. The final part, all you have to do is adjust the light bulb. There you go. And this is kind of the annoying part for me is trying to get the shading or the little cover on this part right, because this is pretty annoying, especially with this fan on. All you have to do is do like this, get them on all four corners. I find that the easiest way is getting them on all four corners before, velcroing them onto little straps. Like this. On the sides as well. And there you go. That's how you set up your studio light if you have if you're planning to get one, and that's how you set it up. I don't know which company this is. But it doesn't have the name of the studio box. I looked it up on my Amazon. It doesn't say the name, but it is cheap, like $32. And for the studio lighting like this, it's pretty good. I like it. And you can set. So after you finish setting your studio light up, you can set it wherever you want it. I have it set it up right over here by my TV and my other keyblade. Oh, I'll put my Kingdom key over there because I hung it on the wall. It keeps falling off my wall. So I have it in that little corner so we don't have to keep falling off. But yo, that's going to be it for today. If you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe, and check out my other video I posted today on my chapter 85 Eden Zero. I will see you guys later. Until then, may your hearts be kind. Keep it working with the best. We heal. Trade A1 out. Peace.